Hello friends, today I will make mini IPL trophy. For that you will need two joint A4 size sheets. Now I will take an pen refill. Then I will roll it. Roll the paper with the help of the refill. First I will roll some part of the paper. Then I will remove the refill. Then I will fold the leftover part of the paper like this. Now I will put some glue on the triangle shape and then paste it like this. Now I will cut the edges of the roll like this with the help of a scissor. Now what I will do is I have made 4 rolls of it. Like this I have made 4. Now what I will do is take 2 rolls and join them together, and then you will put sellotape on it to make it fixed. For it I will first take the sellotape and then wrap it over the joint area. I will give triple laps on it and then I will paste it. Like this our double roll is ready. Now what I will do is take the double roll and then you will fold it from one side. First you will flatten it, then fold it to make the upper portion of the trophy. You will do the same for the lesser part also. Now you will paste it with the help of glue and sellotape. I have taken a strip of sellotape and then I am pasting it on the joining part of the paper like this. Now I will push from the bottom part to the upper part to make it look like a cup. Like this I have making it like the shape of a cup. Now I have taken a double roll of A4 size paper and roll it with the help of a stapler. Now what I will do is I have made the measurement of the trophy. You can see that the cup and the lower part is same. Now what I will do is at the bottom I have made an mark. Now on that mark I will make some cuts to give it an shape. I will make several cuts. After that I will fold it to the inside. Like this I have folded all the parts. Now what I will do is take it out from the inner part. Like this I have taken it out and it has taken a shape of an cup. Now what I will do is paste a paper on the back part. After pasting it will look like this. Now put sellotape on it to make it a much stronger. It will look like this. Now I have taken another roll and what I will do is fold it. Like this I will fold it and now I will make it curve. Like this I have made it curve. Now at the measurement I will cut it and I will take the measurement of the lower part of the cup. Then I will make a mark and cut it with the help of a scissor. Now at the bottom part also I will make a fold to attach it to the cup. This you can see that it has made an handle of the cup. Like this it has made an handle. Now you have to make 2 of it. I have made 2 handles. I have made the same folds. Now I have made 3 circles of different diameters, and it is was the bottom of the cup, and I have made the measurement of the lower part of the cup also. Now what I will do is paste the 3 circles with the help of glue. First I will take one circle and then put some glue on the back part. Then I will paste it on the second circle like this, and then I will put some press on it. Now I will do the same for putting it to the another circle. First I will put some glue and then paste it on the another circle like this. Now I have taken the handles and I will paste it on the lower part of the cup with the help of glue. First I will put glue on the flaps of the handle and then paste it on the cup like this. You will paste it and then you will put sellotape on it. You can see that I have put sellotape on it. Then I will put stapler on it to make it much stronger. I have put 2 staplers on it. Now what I will do is paste the lower part also. For that you will do the same process: glue, sellotape and stapler. Do the same for the other side also. You can see that I have pasted the 2 handles and our bottom part is ready. Now you will paste tissue paper and the glue and the water paste on it to make it much stronger. But before that I will taken 6 small circles and then I will paste it with the help of glue. For that, first I will put some glue on one part like this and then paste the another part on the glued one part. Do the same for all the parts. You can see that I have pasted all the parts and it will look like this. Now I have pasted tissue paper and painted it golden. Now I have also painted golden on the circles that we have made earlier. Now we will paste this 3, not the cup, not the upper cup one. First we will put some glue on the circles. On one part of the circle we will put glue and then we will paste it on the lower part of the cup. Like this I will paste the lower part of the cup with the circles and put some pressure on it. Now our two fixed, and then when we put 2 strips of sellotape, only 2 strips of sellotape. Now we will paste it to the lower part with the help of glue, and the lower part will be the base of the cup. Like this I will paste it. It will take some time because it will be stick. Now I will not paste the upper one because it will be open, and your IPL trophy is ready. It will look like this. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel Craft Ideas. Till the next video, bye.